Hey YouTube, this is Zach with Savage Traveling, coming to you from Don Noi, Thailand. My wife's laughing at me, or the movie she's watching, I'm not sure. But anyways, I bought a fishing pole yesterday, guys, for about $25, about 780 baht. I bought this here. Just your simple, like, open-faced reel. What is this, like a six and a half foot or so? Yeah. I got a couple lures. And you know, right here in the village I got it for about $25, so I was really happy with that. Went and played around with it last night a little, but today we're gonna hop on the motorbike here and we're gonna ride the 30 seconds over to the lake and do a little, just go around and try to catch some fish. The guy's gonna look for this plant that they, you know, that grows beside, and like she'll decide if we come back and pick that plant as well. It's called like keelik, it's like twice boiled, and they make it into a soup. It's really good. But we're just going to, you know, take a little ride and do some fishing. So I'll catch you guys here in a few minutes when we get, you know, ready to go to the lake. Okay, here we go. Uh-oh, uh-oh. All right, we got it. To the lake. Every single time. All right. Where do you think's the best way to go, dear?
I don't know, honey.
I don't either. Let's go back there.
Okay.
Oh. Let's see. We'll get there. Like me and Paul, we just stopped here yesterday.
Yeah.
And just, I kind of threw out right there, but it's not a good place. I just wanted to cast a couple. Okay. How do we get over there? Okay. Okay, we are going to make our way to the opposite side of the lake, just because it looks like there's a little shade and such, and it's flatter. You don't have this giant ridge here. This ridge is here to keep these houses from flooding in the rainy season. And it's like they just did this within the last, like, whoa, 6 months or so. Side. Okay. I'll click back on in a minute, guys, when we get closer to where we're going. If you need to go back and get him, we can get stopped up here. When we get parked up here, you can go run and get him if you need him.
No.
Okay. A little dam here keeps the lake in, but when it gets too full, it fills over. Okay, go up here. A lot of kwai, the water buffalo, they'll bring them up here to hang out in the shade sometimes. Sometimes you'll see like 20 of them right here. It's pretty cool. Shade. Right here, dear? Yeah, looks good to me. Got some lily pads here for my frog lure. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. All right.
But have to be careful. There's one you see with the foam.
Yeah, the float. Yeah, there's one right here too, isn't there?
For the people they put.
There's one. There's 3, 4. I see several of them. See, these are like we'd call it jugging back home, where they have a little float and then the line runs down with a hook and some bait, and they just have them set out here. So I just got to shoot over here and try not to hit this tree.
Yeah.
We'll see how it goes.
Mm-hmm.
And, you know, I bought the fishing pole to kill an hour or two here and there. It wasn't like we needed to eat or anything like that, but definitely if we catch some fish, Guy, she's gonna go chef all over that fish. All right, let's see what we got going on here, guys. I'll be back in a minute. All right, we decided to move a little further down because I think what she said, they're not jugs. It's probably a net that's stretched out along here. So we're gonna move a little further down, find a place for her in the shade so she can put her chair out and relax, get a nap in or whatever. And I'll entertain myself for a little while, you know? But just like I said, I just needed a good excuse to get out and hang out, and fishing pole is it. Okay, I think we're clear here, but I don't want to be under this tree. See if we see any keelik out here. It's a tree. Actually, is that keelik tree, dear? Is that keelik?
No.
No? Okay.
It's not keelik.
Okay. I don't know what I'm talking about. Where do you think's a good spot, dear?
Yeah. That's what you want.
I don't know what to do.
You have the big tree.
Yeah, I'm afraid I'll get
It.
I'll get caught up in the tree.
Yeah.
Yeah. Heading on around the lake, see if we can find an open area. There's spots, but there's just trees overhead, and I'll just get caught in them. So we might.
Right here?
Let's try here for a little bit, I guess.
Okay.
It's not as pretty as where we were, but there's shade, and I can get out there. So
Yeah.
yeah. Got caught on a snag. Guy rescued my lure, and now I'm gonna put a little swivel. Well, it's not a swivel. She gave them to me yesterday, so I figured I'd throw one on the end so I have like an easy release.
Isan.
Yeah. There we go. Wind picked up, the water's kind of choppy, but we'll still cast a couple more out while we're here. Well, my tripod is not podding. Come on, pod up. There you go, buddy. Come on. All right, guys, while my wife watches the news out here by the fishing hole, we're gonna walk down around the bend here and see if we can find a little opening, throw some lures out here by these lily pads and see if we can catch a monster. Yeah, I was standing over there, and what made me really move was like the ants. Ants got my feet. I don't know if we can get down here or not. Doesn't really look like it. We might have to go a lot further than I anticipated, so maybe this is a lost cause. Can't really get to. All right, well, maybe we'll head back down here. I'll catch with you guys in a minute. Let's see what the heck I'm doing. I haven't had no luck yet, you know, so that's why I figured I'd try to move, but I'd have to uproot my wife, and she looks pretty comfortable right now, so I don't really want to be that guy, you know. So we'll walk down the other way to the other shade tree and see if I can maybe get around those nets that I showed you guys earlier. We'll see. Can we get down here? I think we saw a huge monitor down here. I think this is where it was at earlier. I don't know if this would be worth throwing out or not. Oh yeah, I broke my tripod. Great. It is no longer a tripod. Yeah, babe, let's go fishing. It'll be fun. Oh, she's a sweetheart. It's a beautiful day out here for real. All right, I got shut out. Didn't catch a thing. I don't think I even had a bite, but it was just fun to get out here for an hour and just kind of relax and get out of the house, you know what I mean? That's, I'm sure about 75% of men who go fishing, that's really what they're doing, is just to get out of the house, you know what I mean? But anyways, guys, we're just going to cruise back around here to go around here. There's the village right there. We stay like right over there. There's the markets like right there or whatever. And then, you know, I don't know what we're doing the rest of the evening, but you may or may not see me again. I don't know. All right, guys, well, I didn't catch any fish, but I kind of expected that. Just got out to test the new rod and reel out and to just get out of the house and enjoy this beautiful weather we're having up here today. We're gonna cruise around the lake here, head back over to the village, and then we'll go from there. You ready to go, dear? Not the easiest thing to do with one hand. Yeah, I'm trying. Be all right if I put this chair between my legs, but there we go. We're rolling. Monitor lizard. Oh, watch out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hold on, dude. Show us from the side. Us.
Us.
Okay. School's right over 4th Street, isn't it? Oh, Donhan. Okay, I remember. Probably some fish in there. Back on our left, and then down here, well, here's the school, Don Noi Whittier School. More lake. This is where they have the Sunday market right here. Pretty popular. I think it starts again this Sunday, number 15. The market comes back on Sunday. And when it's rice season, they dry the rice out here. That's why they haven't had the Sunday market here lately. Every day there's a food market here. Like from like the daytime till 7, 8 o'clock, 6, 7 o'clock. There's Leo's shop. They got beer, sugar. And there's the restaurant, Mukata. We ate there the other night with the family.
Oh, be careful, my China.
Yeah. See, I had to come down over here. I had to drive down through here yesterday. But yeah, guys, I mean, like I said, that lake's been there. I wanted to throw a fishing pole in it for a while, so I finally bought one. Now I just got to learn the lake and what's the easiest way to catch what around here. We'll see, yeah. I am losing the chair. Yeah, we're gonna try to start doing like a few day-to-day videos of just, you know, just doing normal stuff. So if this is something you guys are interested in and didn't mind this, hit that subscribe and like button. And I got it. Okay. You know, hit that subscribe button. And I'll be doing more videos in the future. I just gotta, you know, get back into it. Okay. All right. All right, guys, that was fishing here at the lake here in Don Noi. I know it wasn't the most spectacular video I put together, but we're, you know, we're grasping for straws, and we're gonna keep doing it. So peace. See you in the future.